Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm so sorry that I've been behind schedule on this snow mining platform. I know by this time I'm supposed to be having up to 180 mining power, but yet I'm still in 93. As you can see, my current balance right here is 93 eyes, and I'm going to show you how you're going to connect this into your Trust wallet for you to claim it direct into your Trust wallet. But first of all, I'm going to introduce to you some of the terms that related to this ice crypto, since it's now booming the whole internet and this crypto have already been verified. So I'm going to show you how to place your withdrawals and how to mine more in this crypto. As you can see, I have only about 3 referrals here and I'm already in level 2, and my global rank is up to 4 million. In our last video, I think our global rank was up to 1 million, so it have increased 3. So what we're going to do in this video is to connect our ice wallet into our BNB network for those that actually want to connect it, and I'm going to show you how to relate this ice network into your Trust wallet. That will be at the end of this video. So I'll urge you not to skip any part of this video and watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any part of this video. So before I will continue, I would like you guys to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video. So like I said, now first of all, I'm going to show you how you can connect your ice network into your BNB. So all you need to do is to go to your MetaMask and your Trust wallet and connect your BNB. To you copy your Trust wallet address based on the BNB. All you need to do is to place it right here. Now what you're going to do is to actually go and confirm address. Now what I'm going to do right now is to show you how to copy this address from your Trust wallet, and then you can now place it here. Now to copy the address, all you need to do is to go on Twitter, search on Cosmos Airdrop. You're going to see our new post on ICE. So all you need to do is to click on this token right here and open up the ICE Twitter address. So all you need to do is to go ahead and copy the address that is being written right here. So all I need to do is to click on copy. Now go straight to your Trust wallet. Now all you need to do is to actually click here. Then click on plus here. Change the network to BNB Smart Chain. So all you need to do is to click on paste. As you can see, the name ICE, the symbol ICE, and the decimals ICE. So all you need to do is to click on import right here. As you can see, we have validated our ICE token. All you need to do, like I say, is now to go ahead and copy on receive. As you can see, this is now on our Trust wallet, and you have ICE token on our Trust wallet right here on BNB20, and its smart chain is actually here. So all we need to do is to copy this address. Go to our profile right here. Now what we're going to do is to actually click on confirm, then copy and paste. So confirm the address, confirm. So as you can see, our address has now been confirmed. As you can see, our BNB address in this platform. So as you can see, once we are mining our ICE here, once ICE have been verified after the mining, they are going to be crediting us direct into our Trust wallet, guys. So if you like this video, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to subscribe, like I said.